Imagine hitting the open road in comfort, style, and pure American luxury. This isn't just a van, it's a mobile lifestyle upgrade. Welcome to the all-new luxury conversion of the Chevrolet Express, built to turn every trip into a first-class experience. From the outside, the van makes an immediate statement. Its sleek silver body, chrome detailing, and custom alloy wheels reflect its bold presence. The high roof and extended side panels offer not just space, but elegance. LED tail lights, tinted privacy glass, and the electric sliding door hint at the tech hidden inside. And yes, this van doesn't just drive, it glides. Step inside and you're welcomed into a world where craftsmanship meets innovation. The interior is wrapped in premium leather upholstery with diamond stitching, plush captain chairs that fully recline, and a rich wooden finish that feels more like a private jet than a camper van. Ambient LED lighting lines the ceiling and cabinetry, setting a mood that can change from bright and practical to cozy and romantic with just a touch. At the heart of the cabin, you'll find a full entertainment system, complete with a high-resolution smart TV, Bluetooth connectivity, premium surround sound, and wireless charging stations. USB ports are accessible from every seat, and a touch control panel allows you to adjust lighting, AC, and media from anywhere inside, moving toward the rear. This van is fitted with a compact kitchenette featuring a stainless steel mini fridge, microwave, induction cooktop, and a sleek sink with filtered water. Storage has been thoughtfully designed, everything from overhead cabinets to hidden drawers helps you pack more without the clutter. The sleeping area transforms effortlessly. The rear bench folds flat at the push of a button, converting into a full-size memory foam bed. The window shades are power-operated for privacy, and the AC system keeps the cabin climate-controlled whether you're parked in the desert or near the Alps. Safety isn't left behind either. It features advanced driver assist systems, a 360-degree backup camera, blind spot detection, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control, making long drives easier and safer. This luxury Class B motorhome isn't just about getting to your destination. It's about loving the journey. Whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend explorer, or someone who values comfort on the go, this van redefines road travel.